So after I left the store, tell me why. I saw this Dodge Durango. That motherfucker was like that motherfucker was going like really, really loud. Like it was so loud. Like I cannot stand cars that is that loud. I think having a car that loud is stupid as fuck. It make your car sound raggedy. The only thing that I want bumping in my truck is some music. That's it. I need a quiet car. Don't nobody want to hear them cars like that. I feel like those cars should be illegal. Anybody that got Hemis, and it should be illegal. It's too goddamn loud. Don't nobody want to hear that shit. And even when I was younger, I didn't want to hear that. I don't want to hear that. How can you even sit in a car and be comfortable driving with a Hemi that loud? Like a Hemi should not, no car in a world should be that loud. It sounds like raggedy. It sounds like it's about to break down. All you hear is crack, 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 like prick, prick. Like I can't even do the sound in my mind because that's how stupid it is. Like it's so stupid. Hemis are stupid. And nobody should have them. And then he gonna say, oh, that's what all the young kids like. Don't nobody give about that. Don't nobody want that. Stop driving these cars like that. It sounds like it's about to catch on fire. It sounds like it's about to explode. Stop.